This is the tree house here. The first time in my traveling, I used my plastic jacket. Have been a long street. I have been.
Don't forget about me and all the things I could give to you, baby. But I guess you can't see.
Nobody.
This is Hachiman Shrine, built in 17th century by Yamashita Ujikatsu, a samurai general serving the Uchigashima family. Peaceful and beautiful.
I think they have a photo shoot. They wear something like Harajuku style. It's like a big scenery.
Mountain, village, cool breeze, vacation feeling, healing.
Wow, look at that. It feels like so nice, so nice, so nice, so nice.
Well, I'm thinking to have lunch at Kitanosho, the restaurant that faces the Sho River.
Actually, this one is a restaurant, so can go inside and eat. Yeah, a bit hungry. That's it.
But who knows? Today they are fully booked by a travel tour group. Well, then, till next time, let's continue. While walking along the road, finally I found the Shirakawago tree houses, the Instagrammable of Shirakawago.
I need to walk very long to find this tree house.
And it's raining. However, it won't stop my exploration. Plastic guy is showing up now. I don't have umbrella this time, so the plastic jacket is the convenience.
Isn't it amazing? I'm a plastic guy, and this is my first time ever traveling and use plastic. Can I count this hiking? No, this is not part of hiking. This is just traveling. And this is the bridge.
However, my concern is only my camera since no waterproof.
I'm sorry, DJI. I'm not waterproof.
Anyway, all is well. The impressive Dei Bridge, a 107-meter suspension bridge. Although it's raining, it's still offering a stunning view of surrounding landscape. Finally, I have my late lunch at Gasho, tempura udon. After it, let's continue the journey. Suddenly, it started to rain heavily and windily.
I think just now I already said this, but I don't know. Actually, this is the main spot. But however, just take one more time. So this is the tree house here. I don't know which one the original, but since the postcard is like this, is this one. And then just now I tag is very in front, so it's a bit different. But here is so many people, but right there is not much people.
I know it's still heavy rain, but it won't stop me to hike to Ogimachi Castle Observation Deck. It's an 11-minute hike, but the rain could make it longer. Can I make it?
I think the Anya face is feel like me now. It's like
Despite a steep incline, the road is remarkably well maintained. Never give up. Arriving at Ogimachi Castle Observation Deck, and cloudy and rain, so
plastic guy. Just now hiking only to see this, but I think it's worth it.
wow, this is amazing. The stunning view made the hike totally worth it. The view is even more picturesque when it's covered in snow.
My effort to see this. I need to do a little bit hiking, and more difficult is because I am plastic guy and also wet, and my shoes also so wet and it's so steep. You see that? Need to use this way again to go down, but I think go down hopefully not so difficult while hiking. It's like really keep high vertical, you know. Not vertical, you just kidding people. Maybe 40 degree. Not 40 degree, 60 degree. Anyway, it's steep. Okay,
Let's return to Shirakawago bus terminal.
okay, see the koi. Hi.
For my next destination is Takayama. It will take 1 hour bus journey. Thanks for watching my video until now. I hope you like it and maybe your reference to visit Shirakawago. See you in my next video. Get lost with Michigo.
So basically, we need to walk up here to the observation point to see all the Shirakawago house around 15 minutes walk. And actually it's a little bit hiking, so it's very maintained road. The road is a bit steep to the top. Now I just done downhill. When I up just now, it's very heavy rain, so the difficulty is like double. Now I gotta take my bus and go to Takayama. Another adventure is waiting for me for sure.